All right, we're going to attempt to put in some 4-inch lights to accent the exterior of this room. You got to pardon my voice, I'm just getting over a cold. So 4¼ inch hole, 48 inches, 42 inches. Really like this hole saw. Keeps the dust down, catches everything in there. Bought it at Lowe's. Now, I am taking all of this circuit runs from the middle of the room to the first 4-inch light, then to this light. I'm gonna use a fish tape, pull the wire over to my new hole. My floor stringers go this way. I have strapping that goes this way. So that should not cause me any issues, but we'll see.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.
Okay, so the way that I do the fish tape, or fish this wire in here, is I'm gonna pull back a little tiny bit of that outside sheathing, and I'm looking for this ground wire right here. Okay, the solid copper one. I'm gonna use a pair of pliers and just put a 90-degree bend in that. Or I'm sorry, 180-degree bend. That allows me to hook my fish tape in there. I know you can't see that, but then I just close that little loop up. Get everything folded back up so that it's kind of streamlined so it won't get caught. And then luckily, hopefully, like having your luck, I'll be able to pull that and I'm gonna have to adjust that. This works a little better with a couple of different people. It should pull relatively easy. Oh, that's better. Okay. Now, once I get that out, wrap up my fish tape. All right, now I had a viewer comment that I should be using Romex connectors where I go into the box. So where there's a knockout in this box, and I think his name was John and good call. So I bought these at Lowe's. They're plastic Romex connectors. Let me show you how we use those. All right, I'm gonna cut this off and start fresh. Grab my utility knife. I don't know how much damage I did to that wire fishing it through the ceiling. So I'm gonna peel all that back, start fresh. Got my white one there, my black one there. And my ground. I'm gonna knock out both sides of the knockouts on these because it's gonna go to another circuit, another light, right? I'm going to take one of these Romex connector deals and I'm going to put that one in each side. And they just snap right in. Okay. Then if I take these wires and feed that right through, okay, it allows that to come in and not pull out. Well, pull it up just a little bit. There we go. All right, let's strip back my wires. Actually gonna trim them up a little bit. These boxes already come with some push to connect connectors. So black to black. Push that in so it holds it good. White to white. Push that in good. And then my ground. There we go. Then I'm just gonna fold those up, put them in the box. Looks like I'm gonna have to use my jigsaw to open up that piece of strapping. There we go. There we go, folks. Should be wearing eye protection for this. All right. Set my color. Plug her in. Feed that up in. Set my 2 springs. Sucks it right up in there. That's nice. All right, back to the other side. Gotta hook the wire up. All right, so here you want to do basically the same thing. Give yourself a good amount to work with. Cut back your sheathing. I'm gonna find the box that I put up in here for this other light. It's right here. Okay. Notice I've got a Romex connector here on this side. This side is open. I'm gonna open the box up. Pull all of this out. Make sure I got a connector here. Okay. feed my wire in that goes over to my other light. All right, there we go. Make sure she's got a good hold on it. Strip my black and white wires back. Get up there. A little more than that. A little burr on the end of it. There we go. All right. Let's go black to black. Not a lot of room in this box, I'll tell you folks. Make sure we're not going between a couple of wires or something. There we go. These things kind of suck. There we go. All right, make sure that that is not going to pull out of there. And we got white to white. All right. And lastly, my ground. All right. Then you want it nice and neat. Fold those up in there one at a time. Make sure that none of the wires pop back out of those connectors. Not that I've had an issue, but I'm always looking for that point of failure. Okay, nice and neat. Close your box. Put this one over that way. All right. And put your light back in the hole. There we go. One more to do and this room will be done. All right, last one, folks. Here we go. Already marked it out. Oh, that one's gonna be a rough one. Got a floor joist and piece of strapping in the way. So I'm gonna take care of that first. Hopefully, I gotta have enough room to put the box up in the ceiling.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. While you roam in the streets all alone, and all you can see thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.